Hey, what's up everybody out there on YouTube? Your boy Sean Timberlake here to do a quick video review walk around of the German electrical bike, the Leisger. Yeah, we just got this thing. Here it is here. Check it out. Doing a little walk around. Hopefully you guys can see that good. Yeah, that's the Leisger CD5. It's your German electrical cruiser. The CD5 is 5th edition. As you can see right here, it's all right. Yeah, you got genuine leather on the handles. You got a pretty nice electrical display right here, digital display. I'm gonna turn it on in a second, let you guys check it out. You know, I heard different reviews about the bike. Me myself, while I'm on it, I get up to speeds of at least 32, 33, anywhere between 32, 34 miles an hour, depending on the direction of the wind, if I'm riding against the wind or not. But man, she's a tough bike, definitely a tough bike. Love the Leisger CD5. The first electrical bike that I've been on, like I said, it's not my bike. I plan on getting one of these babies though. It's not my bike, it's my uncle's bike. He was nice enough to let me borrow it, so we're gonna take it for a spin and, you know, bend a few corners on it while I just fill you guys in on what's going on for 2018. Your boy Sean Timberlake, Timberlake Fitness. Like I said, we got a lot of videos coming down the pipe. It's 2018, time to turn back up. Expect to see more cycling videos, expect to see more gaming videos, more working out. Plus I got original music that's going to come down the pipe for you guys by M.J.T.B, Monkey Jungle Taliban, you know what I'm saying? And man, it's going to be a great year. 2018, Sean Timberlake, Timberlake Fitness. Okay, so I'm about to get her ready. To get her ready to get her started, you just go ahead on and press this button right here. As you can see, it's already pressed. My light, the LED lights are lit up, 4 LED lights. These bars right here are your panels that let you know if your bike is charged up or not. Right now, as you can see, I got all 4 lights lit up. That means that the bike is fully charged. This is in fact the battery pack. It's a Leisger CD5. And I got a little rose. My uncle put a little rosary on it. You know what I mean? You know, he loved to give it up for the Lord. So we're gonna take a spin on it right now. Bend a few corners. After you press the power button on the side for the battery pack, you want to go up here to the handlebars. On the handlebars, you got a power button. It's right here. Just hit the power button. Then hopefully, well, there's no hopefully, it better not be a hopefully, your digital display will come on. Let me move into better lighting so you can see the digital display a little bit better. Kind of hard to see my digital display right now. With the kind of lighting that we're in, let me see if I can get a better view. It's kind of hard to see right now. Let's see. Sun isn't making it no better. Jeez. Okay, moving to the shade for y'all. Okay, that's a better look at my digital display. All right, I know that the lighting is kind of messed up, y'all. Bear with me on that. You know what I mean? I'm dealing in natural light, but here's a look at my digital display. You can see that's the speedometer. That's my power indicator, indicating how much power that the bike has. That's on the power level of 6. That's the highest power level. Okay? So, without further ado, go ahead on and kick this kickstand up. How y'all like my socks, y'all? Gangster, I know. Kick my kickstand up. All right, take us a spin on the Leisger CD5. Yeah, man. So, she got 11. It's like most electrical bikes. Thumb operated right here. Okay, now as you can see, taking off on it. Speed's climbing. It's a little windy today. I doubt I'll reach those top speeds that I was telling you about. Let's see if I can get a good look on it. Looks like right now I'm about at, yeah, I'm 30 miles an hour. You know what I mean? So, and I'm going against the wind at 30 miles an hour. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm going against the wind. If I was going with the wind, I'd easily get up to, what's that now? 32 miles an hour. Can you see that? That's 32 miles an hour. If I was going with the wind, I'd easily get up to 34 miles an hour on this thing. Nice bike. I love it. She moving, man. And yeah, so you know what I mean? Like, we just going through West Perrine right now. My neighborhood, the great West Perrine. And it's a beautiful day out here, 2018. The 6th, a Saturday, turning up. Your boy Sean Timberlake, Timberlake Fitness. On cycling. Yeah. Cycling, just touring the hood. Just riding the bike. And so yeah, man, 2018. There it is, see? Speedometer, 32 miles an hour. 2018 is gonna be a great year. I'm excited about it. I'm excited about what we're doing. Excited about the plans that we got going on. Yeah, man. So here you have it, the Leisger CD5. Been in corners with your boy, Sean Timberlake. I love this bike, man. It inspired me to go ahead on and grab one. You know, at first I wasn't interested in electrical bikes or nothing like that, but just being on this bike, man, is so fun that it inspires me to want to grab one for myself. So I was gonna go ahead and pick up myself a motorcycle real quick and start doing the fitness on motorcycles, start doing my cycling videos on motorcycles, and I still plan to. But you know, this little bike, like I said, the bike is so fun. It's an electric bike, and I think I'm gonna grab one of these here too. So yeah, man, I can't complain. I love the bike. It's a great bike. You can pick one of these up at around like, they start out at about $2,600. They're about $2,600. They're well worth it, man. They're well worth it. Mileage, I'm not exactly sure how far you can get off of a full charge, but I did pretty decent. You know, I went from, I don't know if you guys from Miami, Florida, then you'll be able to gauge the distance, but I ran from Perrine to Naranja and back, and that's a pretty good distance on an electrical bike. So, and I got there in a pretty good time. And so, yeah, man, I got to give it up to the Leisger CD5. Definitely worth the money. Definitely the kind of bike, if I'm gonna go for an electrical bike, yeah, it's more on the high end of electrical bikes versus some of the electrical bikes that I've seen, but it's definitely worth it. It's definitely worth it. So if I'm gonna go for an electrical bike versus some of the other bikes that I've seen, I'd definitely rather go with the Leisger CD5. The Leisger also have a sports bike, a mountain bike, which looks pretty cool, but you know, I'm a laid back kind of cat, so I prefer the cruiser. But here it is, your boy Sean Timberlake, checking in with y'all, just giving y'all a quick video update about how it's going down in 2018, and I'm out of here.